Hey there everyone! Today, I'm diving into a question that's on everyone's mind. Do you really need to take 10,000 steps a day? It's a fitness goal that's become almost legendary, but let's unpack this myth and see what's really going on. First off, where did this magic number come from? Believe it or not, it originated in Japan in the 1960s as part of a marketing campaign for a pedometer. Yep, just good old marketing. But does that mean it's all hype? Well, not exactly. Walking is fantastic for your health. It boosts your cardiovascular fitness, strengthens bones, and even lifts your mood. But is 10,000 the golden number? Studies show that benefits start kicking in long before you hit that 10,000 step mark. For instance, a study by Harvard found that women who took just 4,400 steps per day had significantly lower mortality rates than those who took fewer steps. So, even smaller goals can make a big difference. Still, aiming for 10,000 steps can be a good motivational tool. It encourages you to stay active and mindful of your daily movement. But don't stress if you fall short. The key is consistency and finding a routine that works for you. What really matters is that you're moving more today than you did yesterday. Whether it's 3,000 steps, 5,000 steps, or 10,000 steps, every step counts. So, set realistic goals, listen to your body, and keep moving at your own pace. Alright, that's a wrap for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness insights. Keep stepping and stay healthy. Catch you in the next one.